Welcome to Sharp Study. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most important concepts in chemistry, elements and compounds. Everything around us, water, air, metal, even your body, is made up of matter. And this matter is made from elements and compounds. But what exactly are they? How do they differ? Let's explore. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. It consists of only one kind of atom. For example, hydrogen, the lightest element. Oxygen, needed for breathing. Gold, used in jewelry. Each element has a unique symbol and atomic number. Elements can be grouped into three categories. Metals like iron, copper, and gold. Non-metals like oxygen and carbon. Metalloids like silicon. Metals are found mostly on the left and center of the periodic table. These elements have some key features. Lustrous, they are shiny when polished. Example, silver, gold. Malleable and ductile, can be drawn into wires, ductile, and hammered into sheets, malleable. Example, aluminum foil, copper wire. High melting and boiling points, iron melts at 1538 degrees Celsius. Good conductors, they conduct heat and electricity well. Example, copper wires. Let's know about non-metals. Non-metals are usually found on the right side of the periodic table. They are quite different from metals. Non-lustrous, they appear dull, except iodine. Example, sulfur, carbon. Poor conductors, they don't allow electricity or heat to pass easily. Example, wood, rubber. Brittle, solid nonmetals break easily, they are not malleable or ductile. Low melting and boiling points, many are gases at room temperature. Example, oxygen, chlorine. Varied states can be solids, sulfur, liquids, bromine, or gases, nitrogen. Metalloids are the in-between elements found along the zigzag line on the periodic table. Semiconductors conduct electricity, but not as well as metals. Example, silicon in computer chips. Some luster may appear shiny like metals. Brittle, unlike metals, metalloids break when bent or hit. Behavior depends on conditions, they can act like metals or non-metals depending on the situation. So remember, metals are shiny, strong, and conduct heat and electricity. Non-metals are dull, brittle, and insulators. Metalloids are semiconductors with mixed properties, perfect for modern technology. Let's now explore the key properties of metals, non-metals, and metalloids, along with some important exceptions that often appear in exams and real-life examples. Metals are known for being shiny, strong, and good conductors. But watch out, there are exceptions. Lustrous, shiny. Most metals shine when polished, like gold and silver. Exception, lead is dull, not shiny. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Copper, aluminum are excellent conductors. Exception, mercury conducts electricity but not as efficiently. Bismuth is a poor conductor. Malleable and ductile. You can shape most metals. Exception, zinc and arsenic are brittle metals, they break on hammering. High melting boiling points. Iron and tungsten melt at very high temperature. Exception, sodium and potassium have low melting points and are soft. State at room temperature. Metals are solid. Exception, mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Non-metals have exceptions also. Non-metals are non-lustrous, not shiny. Most non-metals are dull. Exception, iodine is a non-metal but has a shiny, lustrous appearance. Poor conductors. Wood, sulfur, phosphorus are insulators. Exception, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Low boiling and melting points. Gases like oxygen and nitrogen have low boiling points. Exception, diamond has a very high melting point. So while we learn general trends, always remember, chemistry loves exceptions. These make exams tricky but fascinating. Now let's know about compounds. A compound is a substance made when two or more elements combine chemically. Examples include water made of hydrogen and oxygen, salt made of sodium and chlorine, carbon dioxide compound of carbon and oxygen. Compounds have different properties than the elements they're made from. They have fixed proportions, so today we learned. Elements are pure substances with one kind of atom. Compounds are combinations of elements. Both are essential building blocks of matter.